This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Xeno. First, navigate to the official Xeno website and download the client. You will find a direct link in the description below. Once downloaded, run the installer as an administrator. It is crucial to temporarily disable your antivirus software during this initial installation phase to prevent any interference, then re-enable it immediately afterward for continued protection. The Xeno interface is designed for clarity and efficiency, making it incredibly intuitive. On the left, you will see the large script editor, where you can paste or write your code. At the top, locate the Attach button. Click this to link Xeno with your active Roblox game, a step vital for execution. The Execute button, typically found next to Attach, will then run your loaded script seamlessly within the game environment. To run your first script, first ensure you have a Roblox game open and running on your computer. Next, open the Xeno client and firmly click the Attach button. You will see a confirmation message when it successfully connects. Then, carefully paste your chosen script into the large text editor window, and finally, press the Execute button. You should observe the script's effects immediately within your game. Xeno offers robust features beyond basic execution, enhancing your experience. Delve into the built-in script hub, a curated library filled with many useful, tested scripts ready for immediate use. You can also personalize your workspace by choosing from several themes and color schemes in the settings, making Xeno visually appealing. For convenience, enable the Auto Attach feature, ensuring Xeno connects automatically every time you launch a Roblox game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.